This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn math's very easy guide. Start by mapping topics and choosing 3 core areas to master first, such as arithmetic, basic algebra, and geometry. Break study into 25 to 40-minute focus sessions with clear goals and a short review at the end. Use simple examples, draw diagrams, and teach the idea aloud to solidify understanding and confidence. Begin by strengthening fundamentals that support all higher math skills, such as operations, fractions, and decimals. Practice core techniques until they feel automatic, then connect them to new topics like algebra or geometry. Replace rote memorization with understanding by asking why each step works and tracing logic visually. Short, regular practice beats long cramming sessions and helps you remember methods and spotting mistakes faster. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear math help for you. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It handles chores while you study, and voice control keeps your hands free for notes. It's a small time saver that helps sustain study routines. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Design practice sessions that mix new problems with review questions to strengthen memory and problem recognition. When you get an answer wrong, pause and unpack the error, rewrite the solution, and try a similar problem immediately. Use spaced repetition and short daily reviews to move knowledge into long-term memory. Finally, explain solutions aloud or teach a friend to cement concepts and reveal any gaps you still need to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.